Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put 2 lines of text in Word. Open your Word document. As a first option, select the desired text. Click on the Borders option and open Borders in Shading. Here, check the option box. Then from Style, select the desired line. After that, select the color to use in the line and the width of this line. Now from the preview, leave only the top and bottom lines active. Click OK and you will see your lines in the text. Another option available is to select the text. When you do, from the Insert menu, click on Equation. Here, click on the Accent menu and in the Overbars and Underbars section, click on Overbar. You will see the line at the top. Now click on Accent again and this time click on Underbar. Now you will have the line at the bottom. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.